Hello you guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I am decluttering my closet and my drawers, going through stuff to donate. It's time. Things are overflowing. I need to reorganize a little bit. This might sound crazy, but I'm going on vacation in a couple days and I decided to take up this project. But I thought it would be fun to show you guys what I have in my closet, what I'm keeping. I am a hoarder of t-shirts to sleep in and tank tops and things like that. So this is our bedroom. I have all of those drawers, and then I think two of these, yeah, these two drawers have my stuff in it as well. And then obviously there's clothes on the floor because I was gonna put them in here, but I'm just gonna take stuff out anyway. So I was putting laundry away and I'm like, screw it. So this bottom layer are my clothes here, and top is Caleb's. So Caleb has most of this closet space, but I also have my office closet. Let me show you that. I don't know if there's that much to declutter in there. I've kind of gone through there recently, but we could still probably do it. So I'm in my office now, and this is my office closet. The whole closet needs organizing, to be honest. And then, yeah, this stuff, there's a lot of jackets and stuff back there. So that's what we're working with. The main thing that I need to declutter is like fuzzy socks. Being from Michigan, I have so many fuzzy socks, so many warm socks. Like, look at this. I don't need all of these. These are just random things. I need to get rid of most of these so then I can put other things in there, because my activewear drawer, which a ton of this stuff, this is all activewear, right? Yeah, that's all activewear. And then I already have this, and this is my only activewear drawer, and that needs to change because I have too much. And then this is my sweats cozy clothes drawer, and that's overflowing, but I don't know what to do with that. I don't know what to do with that because it's so hot here that I need a ton of shorts, but I also love sweatpants. So that's why I need to clean out the sock drawer, because I don't need that many. I already have socks in the top drawer over there. Anyway, so this is what needs to happen. Let's start with this sock drawer. That's already better. Here's what I'm getting rid of. These, and these are random clothes that I need to, like, these are flannel PJs for like winter, but I don't know, I need to find a different place for those. Okay, next let's go through this drawer. This is always hard to consolidate because I love my sweats. Love, like, could probably get rid of those. Get rid of those. I like those sweatpants, but I don't love them. Love, no, love, get rid of. I like those. I need to be so much better. These pants from, is it a NUDE brand? No, Star something brand from Target. These pants are my absolute favorite for sleeping, and I wear them till they have holes in them. I need to get rid of the ones with holes. Like, what am I doing? These are the ones with the feet holes. I also love the shorts from the same brand. They're phenomenal. Look at this. What? These need to go, Emily. Come on. What are you doing? And don't worry, I'm gonna throw those out. I'm not donating those ones. But the problem is I have to have cozy shorts to wear for, you know, when it's hot. But I also love sweatpants all year round. And I like these pants all year round. So I'm definitely getting rid of stuff in that drawer. More than I thought I would, to be honest. Wow, I shocked myself. This is better than I thought. Oh my gosh. Look at, wow. So these are sweatpants. I have 3 pairs of like actual sweatpants. And then these are my sleep pants. or, you know, cozy pants that I like to wear around the house. Then there's joggers and then shorts, okay? That's done. Now, these are throwaways, throwaway, and then giveaway. Now, the hard part, which I don't even know if I'm gonna get rid of any athletic wear because I think I went through this recently. I'm just gonna need a new drawer, I think, because I just wanna buy more. Okay, one pair of leggings I just threw over there. Also, I have a hard time. What do you guys do with winter clothes? You keep them in your wardrobe? I'm always a person that has always kept my winter and summer stuff in my in my whole wardrobe. I just have it interchangeable because I feel like Michigan, you never know what the temperature is gonna be. Here, obviously, it's a lot more predictable. It's hot all the time. The lows are literally like 70, 72, 75. So it's never cold. So I feel like I could be that type of person that switches out wardrobes a little bit. Like, what do you guys do? Okay, here's where I'm running into an issue because this is my workout clothes. Luckily, I only have a couple long sleeve shirts, so everything else I pretty much wear all the time except for shorts. And I've really fallen in love with workout shorts. As you can see, I have, what, 7 pairs right now? And then these are all leggings back here, Sunzel leggings, and then these Sam's Club ones I absolutely love that are like $10. Can you see? So back here are my Sunzel ones, which I probably should go through because a couple have holes just from wearing them constantly for years. And then these are Sam's, and then these are all my shorts. But these are really wedged in there, and I still have to put tanks and stuff like that. So that's where I'm running into an issue. I feel like I need another drawer almost for workout clothes now. All right, here is the finished product. It is definitely packed to the brim, but it's better. I did get rid of a couple things, literally only like 3. So just organizing it better helped, but it still isn't exactly how I want it. Now my jeans drawer is really good. I have a couple pairs to put in here, but I honestly don't think I'm gonna get rid of anything right now because I don't really have to or like need to. Hello you guys, it is the next day. Actually, I didn't have time to finish going through the closet, so we are decluttering. My section of the closet is this bottom part, and I have sweatshirts, long sleeves, short sleeves, tanks in here. So we'll see. I pulled down a couple things yesterday. I think I'm basically just gonna put this on a time lapse and get to work pulling these down because me explaining everything would take a really long time. So I'll probably time lapse it and then I guess share the different things that I'm getting rid of. Here are a couple sweatshirts. I love sweatshirts so much, and like t-shirts and all that kind of stuff. So we'll see if I can get rid of some stuff. My gosh, you guys, I actually got rid of a lot of stuff. Oh, look at all those hangers. All gonna be empty for new things. All of that stuff I'm getting rid of. A lot of this stuff is like stuff I've just held on to for no reason. Like maybe I'm gonna wear it, whatever, you know? That just doesn't really make sense because for YouTube, I buy clothes a good amount, you guys. And so I don't know why I've hung on to some of this stuff for even like years or whatever. It's one thing if I wear it all the time, but if I don't wear it, why hang on to it? So I'm so excited. I'm gonna have room in my closet now. Like my area was getting very, very cramped. I told you before that I love sweatshirts. I love t-shirts. There's a lot of like t-shirts in here that I just don't wear anymore. They're really cozy, they're really comfy, but I don't wear them, so why am I keeping them? Or I wear them like once to go to bed or something, you know? And I already have a ton of shirts that I sleep in or lounge around in. Like this leopard top that I loved, but I've had it for like 3 years and I don't wear it anymore. More t-shirts. And to be honest, there was like a time where I would wear t-shirts all the time instead of like tank tops. Now I wear tank tops in the summer nonstop. And then like things like this, so cute, from Old Navy. I just didn't wear it very often. So it's so soft, it's in great condition. This long sleeve shirt from Walmart that I'll just get new ones next year. Just a black bodysuit, long sleeve, that I literally have worn maybe once. Like, I know it's a staple, but I just don't wear it. See, more shirts I've had for a couple of years now. And that's the thing too, I feel like with doing YouTube is I like to keep my wardrobe up to date, because then I can link things for you guys. And so if something's like years old and you're like, oh, I love that, what's the link? Most of the time it's not available, so I can't link it. Yeah, so I'm gonna have 2 full bags, you guys. And that'll be it for this video, because I think that's enough for now. I'm not gonna do like a full organization. I just really wanted to declutter a lot of stuff, and 2 full bags is definitely decluttering. So I'm gonna be donating these things, and hopefully other people will love them. So yeah, you guys, that is it for this video. I hope you liked watching me kind of declutter and things. I try to keep my wardrobe, obviously I have a lot of clothes, but I try to keep it pretty minimal. Otherwise I feel like I just get overwhelmed. And to be honest, we don't do a lot that's like fancy, so I wear a lot of like athleisure and casual clothes. So that's like what my wardrobe is made up of. So I hope you guys liked the video. If you did, give it a thumbs up, and also subscribe to my channel. I upload new videos every single week on affordable beauty and fashion, so I hope you'll subscribe, and I will see you guys in a video very, very soon. Bye guys.